Took a tour of the Amalphi coast. Although it was cool, meaning cooler in terms of temperature. But getting to Positano was an adventure. Air conditioning in the van was operative, but not amazing. The drive was just not that amazing. And once you got to where you were going, again, not that amazing as well. So again, probably take a boat rather than take a van going where you're going, because it's just too crowded and not comfortable at all. I'm sorry. That's just the way that worked. Now, in terms of Sorrento is still very pleasant, very peaceful. Lots of boats doing what boats do. Seagulls having a great time finding snacks here, there, and everywhere. And wonderfully friendly staff busily preparing for the dinner.